Blockchain technology could help Russian citizens stay informed around the Ukraine war. Canada is added to the list of countries who look into CBDC and partners with MIT to do so. The world of decentralized and centralized finance come together. Binance adds PancakeSwap to its platform. And the price of Bitcoin is maintained at $40,000. In our weekly analysis, we analyse its latest movements and also examine the macroeconomic situation where inflation continues to take over. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with crypto and blockchain technology. Let's get started. Canada is the latest addition to the list of countries looking into creating their own digital currency. This is in partnership with the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology, although at the moment, no decision has been taken around introducing the digital currency to the country's monetary system. More and more countries are considering the possibility of incorporating a digital currency. For example, India. As we mentioned yesterday, the country is leaning towards the launch of their own CBDC. However, let's not forget that these digital currencies are backed by traditional money and managed by the state central banks. Therefore, they're not based on the principles of decentralization or freedom, which is what cryptocurrencies revolve around. The leading exchange, Binance, is not only known for being the most used worldwide, but also its centralized nature. However, it looks like now Binance is opening its doors to the world of DeFi, or decentralized finance. The company has just announced the arrival of decentralized exchange PancakeSwap on its platform. The objective is to facilitate the interconnection between the tools of Binance and other decentralized networks. Through this, the large platform led by Changpeng Zhao is being introduced to the world of CDFI, a trend which combines centralized and decentralized finances. Speaking of Binance, the platform has just landed in Dubai. The exchange has been granted by the Regulatory Authority of Virtual Assets, Dubai's authority in charge of operating in Emirates, offering services to qualified investors. Binance therefore continues its expansion in the Middle East. Just a few days ago, it obtained a license to operate in Bahrain. Dubai seems to want to position itself as a pioneer in its region to take decisions around cryptocurrencies. The massive exchange, FTX, has also acquired a license to operate in Dubai and wants to form a cryptocurrency hub in the World Trade Center of the city to develop the crypto and blockchain technology sector. Moving on to Ukraine's invasion, Russia's military attacks continue and the crypto world continues to provide its grain of sand to help Ukrainian villagers. In this case, the star is the founder of the Internet Computer blockchain, Dominic Williams. The American plans on using smart contracts and $250 million worth of rewards to show Russians what's really going on outside the country. The cryptography expert believes blockchain technology could serve as a tool to get a large number of verified Russian citizens to watch newscasts around the war. As an incentive, William proposes to reward cryptocurrency to all of those who watch videos until the end. From Eastern Europe, let's now move on to the United States. The American state of New Hampshire has passed a new law in favor of cryptocurrencies that exempts token operators from complying with certain obligations that apply to stock shares. One of the representatives behind this law is Jason Osborne, who celebrated the approval of this new law and assures it will bring investments and jobs to the industry that is growing rapidly. Another of the promoters of the norm is Keith Ammon, who assured in the statement that the legislative power must prevent the government from interfering with innovation around digital assets and cryptocurrencies. And lastly, the price of Bitcoin is maintained at $40,000 and continues to move within that symmetric triangle pattern. Don't miss our weekly analysis, which will look into Bitcoin's latest movements, where we also analyze the macroeconomic context dominated by inflation and the Federal Reserve's rise in interest rates. To stay up to date with cryptocurrencies, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Happy weekend!